Effect of stiffener characteristics on the seismic behavior and fracture tendency of steel plate shear wall. The objective of this study is to investigate the seismic performance of steel plate shear wall with different stiffener characteristics, to study the buckling failure modes of steel plate shear walls, and to identify the most efficient stiffener patterns that can be used in steel plate shear walls. In order to achieve these objectives, a system of two horizontal beams, two vertical columns, and plain infill wall was constructed numerically. We studied different stiffeners cross sections, such as the L section, T section, and U section. We ended up with 6 cases. So we studied the horizontal case for L section, U section, and T section. Then we focused on the U section, so we studied another 3 cases: the vertical U section, the diagonal U section, and the cross U sections. In order to validate the finite element model, experimental work from literature was used. The experimental work was done by Parks et al. It is a 3-story steel plate shear wall system with plain infill plate. In order to model and solve the case, Abaqus finite element code was used. Based on this study, the following conclusions were drawn. The model were able to predict the seismic performance of steel plate shear walls. The stiffener detail can affect and improve the fracture performance. And finally, the proposed horizontal and diagonal U stiffeners effectively improve the seismic behavior of the steel plate shear wall.